What is Python programming? Today we are diving into the world of programming and we are going to talk about one of the most popular programming languages out there, Python. So what exactly is Python? In simple terms, Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that's known for its simplicity and readability. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your coding toolkit, versatile and powerful. But why is Python so popular? Let's break it down. Easy to learn. Python's syntax is clear and concise, making it a great choice for beginners. You don't need to be a coding genius to get started. Versatile. Python supports multiple programming paradigms including procedural, object-oriented and functional programming. Rich libraries. There is the vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Django for web development and Pandas for data analysis that extends Python's capabilities. Community support. Python has large and active community, which means a wealth of resources, tutorials and third-party modules are readily available. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with Python. The possibilities are endless. Here are few examples. Web development. Create robust web applications with frameworks like Django and Flask. Data science. Analyze and visualize data using libraries like Pandas, NumPy and Matplotlib. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Build smart applications with TensorFlow, Keras and Scikit-learn. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks with simple scripts. Game development. Develop games using libraries like Pygame. In summary, Python is a versatile and powerful language that's perfect for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Its ease of use, rich libraries and strong community support make it a go-to choice for a wide range of applications.